I have repeated this already several times, but I'm going to repeat it again in a different format. We need, first and foremost, academic knowledge. You don't have any academic knowledge, you're only based in emotions, you can't go forward in this way. But you do need the emotional intelligence. This part of music is very critical to us. So that's why every fable has a song. We have the English versions as well. It's very important to use this music, and I'm using what I enjoyed when I was a child, sing-along songs. And I think that stories on the campfire were great, storytelling is great, but singing along is great as well. But what is also important in our approach to music, this was done in Latin America. In Latin America, I love the dances. I mean, salsa, it's very popular all around the world. And I asked the artist, Andres Cabas, I said, what are all the instruments you can use? And he started listing them. And he had 80 different instruments. They're all used in Latin America. So I asked him, use all 80 instruments. So over the 37 songs, there are 80 instruments used. That means that now we're not only listening to music and having a sing-along song, as we go through the music and the sing-along songs, when you're in Latin America and you're into music, you will learn to know all instruments, how they sound like. And so, without saying it, we're doing music education. Try to teach kids instrumentation. I mean, we first say you have to learn to know how to play. Well, it's important that we learn how to play. But it's also important we know the biodiversity of music instruments. And this is part of this other one, which is the systems. But the system is a system of a system and a subsystem. So the fables are construed as systems with subsystems. So when you get into the science, you will find subsystems of knowledge of science. But now you get into the music, now you find subsystems of music instruments. And that's the way the whole fables are structured, is that it gets you into issues that are not really very well known, but if you happen to get in there, Alice in Wonderland, then you just look around, and maybe you're getting very excited, or maybe you just want to go on to the next one. But everything that we've done in the fables, when you get into the subsystem, you will have a new discovery. And it sounds like a whole new world on its own. So, the academic knowledge, the emotional intelligence, the arts and the systems require the capacity to implement. And this is, to me,